Hello, Ewusi-Mensah is my name. I am an associate professor of soil microbiology at the Kwame Nkrumah University of Science and Technology. I have 13 years of teaching and research experience, and I'm so excited to be your course facilitator for CS 560 Advanced Soil Microbiology during the first semester of the 2021-2022 academic year. What is soil microbiology? Soil microbiology is simply the study of the biota that inhabit the soil and the processes that they mediate. The biota of the soil includes both plants and animals. Why is it important to study microbiology? If we understand what is happening in the soil, we will get a better idea of how other biological systems also work on Earth. Course objectives. 4 main course objectives will be covered in this course. Number 1, we'll have a look at an overview of the microorganisms living in the soil. We'll also discuss the ecology and role of soil microflora and fauna in soil health improvement. 3, we'll describe plant microbe interactions, typically rhizosphere, mycorrhiza, and nitrogen fixation. We'll also try and understand the role of microorganisms in the transformations of soil carbon, nitrogen, sulfur, and phosphorus cycles. Learning outcomes. 2 main learning outcomes would have been achieved at the end of this course. Number 1 would be to improve your capacity to understand the role of soil biota in soil plant productivity. And 2, to be able to use available soil management technologies for optimum exploitation of the soil biota in sustainable agricultural practices. Course delivery strategies. The course will be delivered through face-to-face method during lectures and during the laboratory sessions. Delivery strategies will also be supported by online sessions. Online sessions will take place via Zoom. Your username and password to be used to join a live online session will be shared on your class WhatsApp page 30 minutes before the start of the class. Most of the time, I'll record the online Zoom sessions and share them with you. I've also added some helpful videos in the virtual class and useful links to assist in your self-paced learning. Make sure you participate fully in all class forum discussions. Course assessment. The practical sessions will constitute 10% of the total score. Class assignments will be 10%. Continual assessment will constitute 20%. And your end of semester exam will constitute 60%, totaling 100%. Please take some time off to carefully read the welcome letter in the virtual class. Look at the course overview, learning objectives, and due dates for course assignments. Remember, I am here to assist you. If there is any question or resource you will need, I am here to help you find it. I'm looking forward to a great learning experience with you. Finally, you are most welcome to CS 560. Congratulations.